excuse the mess. So namium pepper soup. So this is pepper soup. So this is country medicine. This nagbangba, like, you know, I'm a village girl, so this is typical country medicine. So I'm first going to drink this because I'm not feeling too well, and then I will change the flavor in my mouth with some hot pepper soup. I get cassava, yam, and fish. So oh yeah, make the drink. I need to warm it up a little bit. Let me get some cup. It doesn't taste delicious, but it has a lot of good stuff in here. It has bangba, like all those, I don't know the English name, but like negro pepper, clove seed, yeah, a lot of country medicine. Okay, I'm a village girl, so yeah, this is what is going on. This pepper soup, this is all mine, me and me alone, because there's a lot of pepper in here and the kids cannot eat pepper, you know. Yeah, so this is the country medicine. It's really good for your system. For a woman, it's really good for your womb. It helps cleanse your womb. These are different type of herbs, different type of medicine. I don't know the English name. I only know the local name in my language. So this is really nice. So I'm going to drink. I have a full cup. It doesn't taste good, but you know what? Let's do. I like to go one go. I don't drink and then stop. I just put it in my mouth, close my eyes, and just swallow it one go. Okay, there's not break in between. I don't do breaks. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay, you guys see? Everything is finished. Woo. So now, my teeth. So now I'm going to eat my soup. I make some pepper soup with fish. There's a lot of pepper, just to get that bitter taste of my mouth. Like, it's so bitter. This is really spicy. I don't eat spicy things, but I make it really spicy because okay, I need water. Hi. I'm not really fond of spicy food. I don't know why I put so much spice.